Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the trucking world, driver-facing cameras. Now, if you're a trucker, you probably have some strong opinions on these devices. So let's break down the main issues. First off, there's the invasion of privacy. Imagine having a camera pointed at you all day long. It feels like Big Brother is always watching. Truckers spend countless hours in their cabs, and it's not just a workplace, it's a second home. Having a constant eye on you can be downright unsettling. Next up, trust issues. Cameras can make drivers feel like they're not trusted to do their jobs properly. It puts unnecessary pressure and stress on a driver, knowing every move is being recorded and potentially scrutinized. We're professionals here, and trust goes a long way in this industry. Then there's the distraction factor. Knowing there's a camera can make drivers overly conscious of their actions, leading to distracted driving. Ironically, the very tool meant to ensure safety can sometimes compromise it. Data security is another biggie. Who's watching this footage? How is it stored? There are always concerns about who has access to these recordings and how they might be used. The last thing anyone wants is private moments being leaked or misused. And let's not forget the impact on mental health. Constant surveillance can lead to anxiety and stress. Trucking is already a demanding job, and adding this extra layer of pressure can take a toll on a driver's well-being. So there you have it. These main issues with driver-facing cameras, privacy invasion, trust issues, distractions, data security concerns, and the impact on mental health. It's becoming a pressure cooker as more companies move to install them. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trucking insights. Until next time, drive safe out there.